Na-annulled na ang kasal nina Jody Sta Maria at Pampi Lacson. Ito ang ibinahagi ng actress sa kanyang official Instagram account ngayong June 2024. Sa kanyang post ay naglakip si Jody ng art card na may text na, "So I close my eyes to old ends and open my heart to new beginnings." Akda ito ng poet na si Nick Frederickson. May photo rin siyang nakatunghay sa malawak na karagatan habang papalubog ang araw. Yun sa post ni Jody, 13 taon niyang hinintay na ipawalang bisa ng Supreme Court ang kasal nila ni Pampi. Finally, after 13 years of waiting, a petition for nullity of marriage has been granted by the Supreme Court. It was indeed a test of faith and trust, faith in God's promises and trust in God's timing. Ibinahagi rin niya ang kanyang mga naging karanasan habang pinuproseso ang pagpapawalang bisa sa kanilang kasal ni Pampi. The time I spent in his waiting room was never easy nor was it comfortable. It was frustrating, discouraging, and even heartbreaking. I cried, prayed, questioned and complained. Inamin din niyang dumaan siya sa puntong nagtampo siya sa Diyos. I made tampo, asked for forgiveness, prayed some more. I wanted to give up, but he never let go of me. Pagbabalik tanaw ni Jody, ang pagpapala ng Diyos ang naging timbulan niya. Looking back, it was His grace that sustained and carried me. He had a purpose for the waiting. And that was made clear to me by the Lord. Tulad umano niya, marami rin ang nasa waiting room ng Diyos at naghihintay ng resulta sa kanilang kahilingan. At may payo siya sa mga ito. Ani Jody, I know some of you might be in his waiting room. Paalala pa ni Jody sa ibang may hinihintay na katugunan, God is never in a hurry. He is never too late. Never too early. Believe He is able to do something about your situation. Trust He has a plan for you, and that plan is even better than the one you have for yourself. And when God finally calls you out of the waiting room, don't forget to thank Him and give Him all the glory. Pinasalamatan din ni Jody ang mga taong nakasama niya sa kanyang journey. Anya, before I end this already lengthy post, please allow me to thank the people who were with me on this journey. Ikinasal sina Jody at Pampi noong 2005, ang taon kung kailan din isinilang ang kanilang anak na si Terdy. Naghiwalay sila noong 2011. Taong 2014 na nang ideklara ng korte na null and void ang kasal ng couple. Noong 2017, naglabas ng desisyon ang Court of Appeals na nagsabing walang sapat na ebidensya para ipawalang bisa ang kasal nina Jody at Pampi.